This video is going to quickly go through how to find the circumference and arc length in a circle. So if I have a circle and I know that the radius is 8 feet, the formula for circumference is 2 times pi times r. That'll give us the distance around the circle. And we talked about this in the unit that we did, surface area and volume of solids. So this is the outer length, and so we're looking for that in this particular circle. So we're going to take 2 times pi times the radius, and in this circle the radius is 8 feet. So the answer to this problem would be 16 pi. You can go ahead and evaluate that with your calculator. You don't have to, but you can, and if you choose to, you should get 50.27, and this would be feet. And it's just a distance, so it's not squared at all. Either one of those two answers would be fine. Here's another situation, just finding the circumference. Again, that formula is 2 pi r, and we will use that to find the circumference of this circle. Well, we're given the diameter, and so if we have the diameter, the radius would be half of the diameter, which is 7. So in the formula, we will do 2 times pi times 7, which would be 14 pi. If you choose to type that into your calculator, 14 pi is 43.98, and that would be centimeters. Either one of these would be great. So here's an example of finding an arc length, and ultimately we're trying to find the measure of arc AB. So we are going to use kind of what we did with area and sectors, but instead we're going to use the circumference formula this time. So the circumference of the whole circle would be 2 times pi times r. But we don't want the circumference of the whole circle, we just want the distance from A to B. And that central angle is 60, so that arc measure is 60 degrees. So that's representing 60 out of the entire circle, which has a whole arc measure of 360. And our r value that we need to put in is our radius, and so our radius is 6 centimeters. So we have 2 times pi times our radius, which is 6, times 6 divided by, that's 60 divided by 360. So this will be 12 pi times, and this would actually be 1/6. And so mathematically, we can actually simplify the 12 and the 6 times pi. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we would get 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 2 times pi would be that arc length. And that is just a distance, so the label would be centimeters.